Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the biggest online public speaking championship. This is my official entry for round 1. Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Maan and today I am going to deliver my speech on always work with a long-term mindset. It is rightly said you should always have long-term goals to keep you away from being frustrated by short-term failures. Our mindset, our vision always be a long-term. People don't achieve as per their potential only because they think short term. The biggest problem of people is that they need instant gratification, they need result just now. Whatever they do, they need success immediately in that. If you want to achieve a success and that can sustain for a longer period of time, then start working with a long-term mindset. Believe me, there is nothing like overnight success. Long time back, I was watching a video of one of our youngest entrepreneur, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, founder and CEO of OA Rooms. He said, every overnight success is at least a 5-year-old story. And if it is not, then be very careful about the sustainability of that success. People underestimate themselves in what they can achieve in next 5 or 10 years. Think big. And we always afraid of thinking big. Why? Because we think we will fail and we never get out of our comfort zones. Big things take time. You need to understand that long-term vision will take you ahead in your life. Long-term vision separates winner from ordinary. Long-term vision is very critical for your success because it keeps us going. You need to understand one thing. Till the time your mindset is not long-term, you will not get the kind of results that will sail you through to the next level in life. Success takes time. And if you think you can make money without putting any efforts, believe me, that will not work for a longer period of time. Success always takes time, and ladies and gentlemen, start building a long-term mindset. If you still think that you will find shortcuts for success, let me clear it to you again. If shortcuts were working, then every person of this planet would have become successful. Why there are more numbers of unsuccessful people than successful ones? Because shortcuts never work. People don't have that patience, people don't have that knowledge base that will help them to work with a long-term mindset. At the end, I will say your long-term vision, your long-term mindset will give you more happiness than the easier one. Thank you so much. Signing off, Manoj Maan.